We have to give a big thanks and a shout out to Super Clean for sponsoring this video. And there will be a giveaway at the end of it. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's get this Dominator out of this frame. The engine mounts were totally destroyed. I don't know if it's from the vibration of the motor or they were just bad and they destroyed themselves. Thank goodness for Super Clean sponsoring this video. They're going to help us get this engine cleaned up because it is very, very dirty. And not only that, they're sponsoring a giveaway. If you are the first one to spot, if you look down at my lower right-hand corner of this video, you'll see my branding. If you're the first one to spot a little tiny one that's going to pop up in the video somewhere, and it could be anywhere, and you tell me the timestamp of it when it pops up, and you're the closest, and the first one, you will be the winner of the giveaway. And thank you, Super Clean, for doing that. This engine has never had a window piston. Somebody said don't window it. Run it unwindowed, and then install a window on it. We're gonna do that. We're gonna check the crank too. I was getting some vibration, but it might have been because of the failed motor mount. I don't know. One of the advantages of using Super Clean opposed to a pan of gasoline is naturally the first thing off is fire hazard. There's no fire hazard here. Really, literally the only thing you need is just a pan of water, a brush, a toothbrush, and I use a silicone pad to set it on, and I put it right on his desk, and I do the whole thing right here. Disposal is so much better because it's a lot harder to dispose of a whole pan full of oily gas than some soapy water. So, and it does a beautiful job. Some stuff has to be mechanically taken off, scrub pad or something like that. But for 99%, and I'm using foaming Super Clean and all-wheel clean, and it just works so well. And the parts are oil-free. The good part about that is if you're going to paint a cover, one of your side covers or something like that, you really need to go with the all-wheel cleaner and Super Clean because it'll be completely oil-free and your paint will just stick there. But thank you so much for watching. Please leave me a comment. Please hit like and subscribe. And thanks Super Clean so much for sponsoring this video because they have been with me for quite some time and they are a very good sponsor. So y'all have a great day. Y'all ride safe and good luck.